In a valley between two green hills, there were two bakers, Thomas and Peter. Both men wanted to be the most successful businessman in the land. However, they had very different ideas about how to grow a business. Thomas moved to the North Village. He wanted to sell to everyone. "If I sell my bread for the lowest price, everyone will buy from me," Thomas thought. This is a common business strategy called cost leadership. To keep his prices low, Thomas bought the cheapest flour he could find. He worked very fast, making 500 loaves of bread every morning. He didn't care if the bread was a little burnt or if it tasted plain. "Volume is the key," he shouted. At first, Thomas was very busy. People bought his bread because it was cheap. He made a lot of money quickly. But soon, the people in the North Village noticed that the bread was dry. It didn't smell like fresh yeast, and it crumbled in their hands. On the other side of the hill, in the South Village, Peter took a different path. "I want to make the best bread anyone has ever tasted," he said. This is a strategy called differentiation. Peter bought high-quality organic flour. He added honey and fresh nuts. He only made 50 loaves of bread a day, not 500. Because his ingredients were expensive and his work took a long time, he had to charge 3 times more than Thomas. "You are a fool," Thomas told Peter. "Nobody will pay that much for a piece of bread." But Peter smiled. He focused on his customer experience. He wrapped each loaf in clean brown paper and tied it with a string. The smell of his bakery was so wonderful that people walked from miles away just to breathe the air. After 1 year, the situation changed. In the North Village, people were tired of Thomas's cheap bread. When a third baker arrived with even cheaper bread, all of Thomas's customers left him. Thomas had no brand loyalty because his only strength was his low price. In the South Village, Peter was thriving. Even though his bread was expensive, his customers were happy. They told their friends, "Peter's bread is a special treat. It is worth every penny." Peter didn't have to worry about competitors because nobody could match his quality. One evening, Thomas visited Peter. He was tired and broke. "Why did you win?" Thomas asked. "I worked 10 times harder and made 10 times more bread." Peter handed him a warm, honey-glazed roll. "You focused on the competition and the price," Peter said. "I focused on the customer and the value. In business, if you try to be the cheapest, you are always at risk. But if you try to be the best, you create a bond that a low price cannot break."